Hello, hi Hiller. It's nice seeing you again. Oh my God, I just want to say thank you so much for this beautiful masterpiece. It was definitely a pleasure to have you take your time to put some love into this painting for me. It actually means a lot. It's actually my very first handmade painting portrait. Um, I actually don't even know what to say. I am
How satisfied are you
I'm
though?
satisfied. I'm flabbergasted. I can almost actually cry. Actually, being
Cry then. Are you trying to fool me or something? Cry.
No, like
Yeah.
seriously, it actually means a lot, especially where we came from. Not everybody can actually afford a painting handmade,
Especially Hammer said.
especially by the one and only him.
So what inspired you to get this painting?
What actually inspired me is just, of course, everybody knows I love taking pictures. I'm very photogenic. I mean, look at me.
Yes.
But being able to have a lifetime, this is like a lifetime. I can also pass it down to my son. He can pass it down from generation to generation. Just being able to say, you know what, we can always get a painting done for ourselves. Back in the days, only the royal family, kings and queens, was allowed to have a painting of themselves. And now we work hard. Let's just make sure we can do something for ourselves and not just throw our money on designer stuff that won't even have value down the line. Sure, you buy your iPhone 12, $1,200, you step out and try to sell it again, they want to give you $200 for it. But with this, you can resell it and you can say, you know, this is like 20, 30, even 50K. Well, I wish they'll say, no, it's not, because baby. But like I'm really, really happy he took his time. And I mean, look at it. The work spoke for him itself. And I am truly, truly grateful for everything, for the love you took and put on this piece of art.